If you love peanuts, then you're going to love this delicious coated peanuts, also called peanut burger. It's so filling, so crunchy, and absolutely delicious. Let me show you how it's made. To your bowl, add in 2 cups of peanuts, and make sure to pick out the peanuts because you're going to see some bad ones, and make sure to pick out the bad ones. Okay, then add 1 teaspoon of salt and add in hot water. You're going to use this hot water to blanch the peanuts. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, you're going to take out the peanuts. You take the peanuts out of the water. So shake out any excess water because we want our peanuts to dry really fast. I'm going to leave it here to strain any excess water to be out of it. Then transfer it to a tray and spread it out. Make sure it's very flat so that it can dry properly. So I'm going to leave this in the sun for about 2 hours or more till it's well dried. It might take up to 3 or 4 hours depending on if you have enough sun or not. So this is it. It's well dried. Please make sure it's well dried. So this is it, completely dried. Just keep this aside. To a separate bowl, I added 1 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of powdered milk, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and went ahead to stir this, mix this properly. Make sure to mix this properly till very well combined. Then keep it aside. To a separate bowl, I cracked in 2 eggs and I added a 1/4 cup of sugar and a cup of vanilla, and I went ahead to whisk this properly. Mix this. Make sure to whisk this till the sugar is completely dissolved. To a separate bowl, make sure you're using a very large bowl. Go in with all your peanuts, your well-dried peanuts. Then you're going to get the wet ingredient, which is the egg and the sugar, and then you're going to put in some. Just take a few tablespoons like this, add it to the peanuts, and you're going to shake this properly. Make sure to shake this. Use your strength to shake this properly because we want it to be well coated. So after you've done that, then you get the dry ingredients, the flour mixture, flour, milk, nutmeg, salt. Just add it in like this, and then you're going to shake. You're going to shake this properly. I'll recommend you use something with a lid, with a cover. That way you can shake it very, very well. So you're going to keep repeating the process. You add in the wet ingredient, the egg and sugar, and then you're going to shake this. Shake this properly. Shake. After shaking, then you're going to keep it down again. Make sure to shake this properly. Then you're going to add in the dry ingredients and you shake. You shake this properly till everything is well coated. You need to be very patient because this is going to take a while. So you go in with the wet ingredients enough, like it should be like the same measurement with that of the dry ingredients. So then go in with the dry ingredients again and you keep doing that. Okay, I'm just using this spoon here to just help the shaking easier. So shake. You're going to do this till you exhaust both the wet and the dry ingredient. So if you find that it's sticking just as mine, make sure to separate them. Otherwise, when you fry it, it's going to come out like just as it is like this, and we don't want that. So make sure to separate them, and then you just keep shaking and adding the wet and dry ingredients till you exhaust everything. So at this point, we are done already. Can you see all the excess flour at the bottom? So while frying, you're going to be careful not to fry it with the excess flour. Okay, this is everything well coated and well done. And then to my pan, I'm going to add in some oil. I'll add in enough oil to fry the peanut. You need to be generous with your oil. So I'll go in with some onions. This onions is going to give the oil flavor. Okay, you can skip the onions if you don't want to. So I'll just fry the onions, then I'll take it out of the oil, and then I'll go in with my peanuts. I'm just going to shake so that the excess flour will go down. Then I'll go ahead and fry this. Okay, make sure you use medium heat. Don't use low or high heat for this. We want it to fry gently and perfectly and let it be crispy. So add your peanuts in and then stir immediately, and then you let it get brown. When it's golden brown to your taste, to your preference, then you can go ahead and carefully take it out of the oil. So this is okay for me. I like how brown it is. I don't want it to be any browner, so I'll go ahead and take this out of the heat. As you take it off heat, make sure to place it in a paper towel to extract all the excess oil. That way it's well crisp because you've taken out all the oil out of it. So this is what our peanut looks like. We're done here, so I'll transfer it to a tray for it to cool down completely. So this is what it looks like, and trust me when I say that this was so crunchy and crisp. Oh my god, and this was so good. And this is a very good business idea. Okay, you might decide to start this as a business, and it's a very profitable business. Would you be trying this? Leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.